Hi everyone! Telegram is a new messaging app to communicate with the world. It is already being used by many, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download it in your computer. So first you're going to open your browser. In this case I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use the one that is better for you. And we are going to search Telegram. Being here, we're going to click on Telegram Messenger, and it is going to take us to the Telegram page. Here we're going to have some different options. As you can see, we have Android, we have iPhone or iPad. If we go down, we're going to find Telegram for PC and Telegram for Mac. Here, if you click on Telegram for PC, it will give you the option to download it for Windows. In my case, I'm going to click on Telegram for Mac, and it will take us to another page. So now here, I'm going to click on Get Telegram for Mac, but if in your case you click on Telegram for PC, it's going to say Get Telegram for Windows. We're going to click on it, and it will start downloading. You can use Telegram on different devices because you can have the same account and all of them without any problem. It's also very useful for giving information to a large number of people. You will have many stickers, and it allows you to make calls and video calls. So now when the download is ready, it's going to let us know. We're going to click on it, and here this new window is going to appear. Draw Telegram to your applications. I'm going to click on Telegram, and here it's going to start downloading again to be ready on my computer. This is very quick, and now that it's ready, this window will appear. We're going to click on Open, and our Telegram application is going to be ready. Here is going to give you some instructions so you can open Telegram on your phone. You can log in by the QR code, or also you can log in by your phone number. And I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!